Let's try this. I hardly do this in my video. What is up, guys? It's your boy Kato Kasampege with another one, and another one is over there. Take a look at the car. What do you see? What is different about this car? What do you see? Do you see anything different? Well, if you can't, I will tell you. The other day I removed the front splitter, the front spoiler, and also the rear diffuser of this car. Right now the car is naked, it's undressed. It's not wearing anything, that's why it looks kind of weird. Okay, as you can see over there, the splitter is not there in the front, the side skirt is not there. All that big exposed wheel that you can see, the 19 inches alloy, only that is remaining, and also the exhaust at the back. So guys, as I told you before, that this car, I'm gonna be doing something on it. As you can see right now, the guys already started over there. What is he doing is that he's removing the front splitter because of this damage. Yeah, pothole Sago vendor made this happen. Yeah, I was at this place called Hampego, and then this happened. So it needs to be removed so that it can work on it. Let me show you something else again that needs to be attended, that needs to get attention, is this here. This is not a pothole. Hit a stone, then this side got cracked, and as water comes in, this happened. As you can see, this thing is not strong, man, just fiberglass. Yeah, so that needs to be taken out as well, needs to be fixed. And also the rear one, I remember here it was also, I reversed into a big huge pothole that the whole car sunk in until it hit here. All I had was gone. It was raining, so I couldn't even check it. Yeah, so let's check here on the other side. On the other side, it has got no problem of any kind, but it also needs to go because he needs to clean it, work on it, and make sure that they all look the same. Yeah, as you can see, he's busy over there. And another thing which I also need that must be done is this part. See this black part on the car? This black part on the car going to the back, coming here. This black part on the car going around up to here, and this nice deco stuff here. This and this here. It must be I don't know if it's going to be repainted or it's going to be cleaned, but he explained that there's something that is water based which he's going to use to make the color comes back again, because right now this is no longer black. Now this looks more gray than black, so he's going to have to work on it again. And also the car's got a lot of scratches that I have to show you. Someone scratched me here with their car door. Someone scratched me here. I think it was a tree. I was in Limpopo. This is a tree scratch. And then this is also another scratch from someone's door here as well. So yeah, there's quite a lot of, actually from a distance, let me show you. Let me just go in a distance. From a distance, this car looks like there's nothing wrong with the paint. It looks like everything is just okay. Can't you wait? When you get closer, when the car is clean, you can see good. It needs some work on it. It needs to be polished. Needs to be the side skirts and the front splitters needs to be refreshed. So this is the video before they fix the front splitter, the side skirts, and the rear one. When they're done, I'm gonna continue. Now the front splitter has been removed. This is it lying on the floor, all dirty, making my car look ugly. And this is the damage. Do you see what happened? Yeah, I hit a serious pothole. This is this side. They've removed the front splitter, as you can see over there. It's on the floor. And then the side one is also out, as you can see. Let's check out the side one. Yeah, dirt and dirt and dirt and dirt. Let's examine the damage over here. Yeah, this is the damage. Okay, now let's check out the other side. Okay guys, so all the side skirts and the front splitter and the rear diffuser are out. It looks ugly. I mean, look at it. It looks like some standard Hyundai Tucson. It looks like that 1.6 liter. No, the 2 liter CRDR, whatever. It doesn't look anything like it's a performance car. Yeah. Okay, let's go around it. As you can see, that's the side skirt over there, and then this is the the rear diffuser. Wow. Let me check the damage. Okay, it's not so bad. Yeah, that's the red diffuser over there. It looks naked. Look at it. It looks naked. Yeah, and on this side, this is the side skirt is out as well. Let's check out the front one. Yo, car looks so naked, eh? This car looks so naked. Yeah, but anyway, the next time you see this guy, you see this car is gonna be all done and all perfect and all well, ready to hit the road again. Okay guys, you've seen this car fully dressed. Right now as we speak, it's underdressed or it's undressed. It doesn't have the side skirts, as you can see. I removed them the other day because I had to have them getting worked on because they were damaged. Yeah, and then let's walk around the car and check out the front of the car with no front spoiler, front splitter, front lip, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't have it because removed it. Yeah, it had a little bit of a crack that I had to work on. And then on this side as well, let's walk around it. There is no side skirt as well. And now the 19 inches alloy looks bigger. Those wheels looks bigger now because there's nothing under them. You know, the car is fully undressed. Let's check out the back of the car. I'm kind of getting to like the idea of this car not having all these things because of one thing. The exhausts are too much exposed. The pipes are too much exposed. They're too much out. You get to see them from where they started. You get to really see what now. There's no fakery here. There's no fakery here. It's real, as you can see. It's real. It's real. You also get to see the diffuser. Yeah. So the only thing I like about this car being undressed is the rear of the car. And that's it. That's it, NJ. But anyway, stay tuned, subscribe till you see how the car looks gonna look like when it's all done, when it's all fully dressed. And we're back again to install the side skirts and the rear diffuser and the front splitter. As you can see, the car is naked. There is no rear diffuser, there is no side skirts. Now let's examine the damage. How was the damage? The damage was here. It's gone. There is no damage. And then on this one, the damage was here. And now it's gone. Now continuing with the video, this is the after. Yeah, it's very windy out here, so I don't know if you can hear me clearly or correctly, but I'm just gonna try, and if this doesn't work, I'm obviously going to do a voiceover. But this is the car. The car is been, yeah, it's done. As you can see, it's looking all beautiful right now. Yeah, let me start this way because this was the part where the damage was. The damage was here. The damage was here. Yeah, right here. This is where the damage was. The damage is gone now. And then also the damage was here. This was damaged, as you can see. So this is the picture before and the picture after. Yep. And also the damage was here. There was a crack here. And then this is the picture before and the picture after. Now it's all gone. Car looking all good right now. Yeah, I was kind of okay with the car not having the the red diffuser, because somehow the diffuser makes the car looks beautiful, but without the diffuser it makes the exhaust to look much more bigger and much more stacked out. So it gave it this aggressive look. It looks very much aggressive without the diffuser, but it looks beautiful with the diffuser. So I liked it both ways, you know. I just didn't like it on the side because it looked too high, or it looked like something was wrong with it, you know what I mean. Let's continue coming this side. so you can admire ubuhle bemoto, the beauty of a car. Yes, yeah, this is how it looks. So guys, you've seen the video where I was removing the side skirt. From the video where I was talking about the car and driving around without a side skirt, front splitter, or red diffuser. You've seen that video. You've seen the video where I was getting this body kit back on the car, and now you are seeing the video where the car is fully back to its normal stage, fully dressed. Now the next part of this video is going to be the body polishing and the scratch removal, because I mentioned that on my first video. Yeah, it might look okay right now as you see here on the screen, but it's got so many small scratches which I don't like, so I plan to get rid of them very, very, very soon. The day I put the body kit on the car, it was windy and dusty, so we couldn't polish the car because we were going to damage the paint, so we had to stop it. But as soon as the windy comes down, we are going to polish the car and remove all the scratches so that it can look as beautiful as it's supposed to be. Yep.